So in this video, we are going to learn the basics of video editing using Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to click the Launchpad and we are going to select Premiere Pro. And then we are going to click New Project. And then the project name is Activity 1. And then your last name. And then your first name. And then I would like you to click Browse. And then select Desktop. And then click New Folder. And then I would like you to type activity 1 dash last name dash first name and then click create. So we are going to put this project into this folder and then let's click choose and then let's click OK. Okay, so now we are going to right click the import media to start and then I would like to select new item and then select sequence. And then for our sequence, we are going to select ARRI 1080p 23.976. And then I would like you to click OK. So we are going to import the video files and the audio file that we are going to use for this video. So we are going to click the folder that contains the files. So in this particular example, it's in Activity 1 folder. I am going to select these two folders, the videos folder and the background music folder, and then I am going to drag it here. So if you click here, you will notice that it contains the background music. And then if you click here, it will show all the video clips that we are going to use for this video. Okay? So now we are going to select the video files that we are going to use for this video. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to press the shift key and then click the last video file and then all the files will be selected. So I'm going to click and then drag it here and you will notice that all the files have been added to this timeline. Okay, so now this is the playhead and if we would like to move the playhead, we can just like click and drag it and it will show you the video that you currently have. Okay, so what if I would like to put the bird's eye video clip in front of Athens, Greece video clip? So I'm going to press Command and then I am going to drag it in front of Athens, Greece. So now you will notice that it automatically goes there in front of Athens, Greece. Okay, so that's one way on how you can rearrange your video clip. Okay, so I am going to put the aerial people walking around next to bird's eye video clip. So I'm going to press Command and then I am going to drag it there as well. So now we have now the sequence of our video clip for our video. Now to zoom in this timeline window, you can just like press the plus sign and then you will notice that it zooms in, or you can press the minus sign and then it zooms out. I would like you to put your playhead over here and then we are going to cut this part of the video clip. Okay, so we are going to click the razor tool, it's here, or you can press letter C and then click here and then right click here and then select ripple delete. And then what it does is it deletes that part, but the part of the video clip that you would like to have automatically goes immediately to the preceding video. Okay, so that's how you are going to do the ripple delete. What if I would like to delete the last part of the video clip? So for example, this part here, I would like to delete this. I'm going to put my playhead over here and then I'm going to press W key on my keyboard and you will notice that that part was deleted. So what if I would like to delete this part of this video clip? So I'm going to put my playhead here and then I'm going to press the W key on my keyboard and then it deletes that part. Okay, so now let's try to play our video. Okay, now I am going to press the space bar to pause it. I would like this part to be deleted as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press W and then it will be deleted. So now it was shortened. Okay, so now I am going to place my playhead over here. I am going to press the C so that the razor tool will be activated. And then I am going to place my playhead here. I'm going to press C again. And then, so this part is now selected. Now, if I would like to select the move tool, I'm going to press V. And then I am going to press the positive sign or the plus sign. And then I am going to right click here and then select speed and duration. Okay, I am going to make the speed a little bit faster. I'm going to make it 400. And then click Ripple Edit Shifting Trailing Clips. And then click OK. And then let's play it. You will notice that we have the normal speed, and then it speeds up towards the middle of the video clip. Okay, so that's one effect that you can actually use when you create your video. So what if I would like to slow down a video clip? So I'm going to right click here, and then I am going to click speed duration, and then I am going to make this 50%, and then click OK. And then make sure that the ripple edit and shifting trailing clips is selected. And then click OK. So you will notice that our video clip became a little bit longer. So I'm going to press the space bar. So you will notice that it was a little bit slower. Okay? So now I am going to click here. I'm going to put my playhead here. And then I am going to press W so that it will be deleted. Okay, so now let's put our playhead in the very beginning. I am going to make this a little bit shorter as well, so I'm going to press W. And then I am going to press W as well to make it a little bit shorter. Okay, and there it is. So now let's put a title in our video clip. So I'm going to click here to hide our video clips. And then, so I'm going to click File, and then select New, and then select Legacy Title. And then Title 1 will be Opening. Click OK. OK. Activity 1. And then here, I would like you to type your last name, then your first name. I would like you to make the font size a little bit bigger, so make it a little bit bigger like that. And then change the font to Palatino, Lino type. And then let's close it. Okay, so now we are going to drag the opening in front of the first video clip. So I'm going to click here, and then I am going to press Command, then I am going to place it here so that it moves over there. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now let's zoom this in a little bit. So I'm going to place my playhead here, and then I'm going to press W. So now I am going to press Command T so that there will be transition in between the video clips. So it will be crossfade. So I'm going to put my playhead in the very beginning. So okay, so we don't want the cross dissolve to be placed in our first video clip, because remember, it speeds up and then it will be much faster. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to press the delete key in order for me to delete the cross dissolve effect. So let's try it again. Okay, now let's add our background music. So I'm going to click this one and then I'm going to drag it here. Okay, so what if I would like to make this particular part a little bit longer? So all I need to do is place my mouse pointer here, and then I am going to drag it here. So now it becomes a little bit longer. And then I'm going to put my playhead here, and I'm going to press C for the razor, and then I'm going to click here, and then press V, because that's the selection tool. I'm going to press V, I'm going to click the last part, and then press the delete key. Okay, now when the music ends, I would like it to fade. So I am going to go to Effects, and then I'm going to search for Exponential Fade. For the audio, it's under the audio transitions. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to drag it here in the audio. And then when it ends, it's going to end in a fade manner. Okay? So we are not going to be very specific with the background music yet, but this is just an activity for you to understand how to put the background music. Okay? Okay. So okay, so now I would like you to select the audio one. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to select audio clip mixer, and then I am going to play it again. Okay, you will notice that there was just like this kind of red, and then we will adjust the volume of this one a little bit. So I'm going to drag it a little bit here. Okay, so now what if I would like to make the Athens Greece temple a little bit longer? So I am going to click the Ripple Edit tool. I'm going to click that. I am going to drag it to the right. And you will notice that as I drag it to the right, the succeeding video clip also adjusts. Okay, so you can also adjust this Ripple Edit tool in between the video clips. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, so now how are you going to export the file? So I am going to click here and then select File and then select Export and then Media. And then I would like you to type here output name, activity 1, your last name, your first name, and then click Save. And then click Export. Okay, so the video was exported successfully. So let's play it. So there it is.